So we got these 26-inch JTX dropped off today. 26-inch Phoenix is what it looks like. 26-inch JTX Ford Phoenix going on the blue 450 over here, which is super cool. It's getting 37s and 26s, and it's got a striker lift kit already, which we're going to look at here in a little bit. But I wanted to give you guys a comparison between 28s and 37s versus the 26s and 37s. Now, this truck built by a customer a couple of months ago, 3.5-inch ready lift in the front with the Fox shocks. Super beautiful truck. I love the silver with the polish, especially if I know it's hard to keep them clean. But we got the 28-inch KG1 forged Trident with the billet center cap. Super cool. 37-inch. Oh no, sorry, 38s. Look at me, I'm wrong. 38-inch Furies. And the main, I know the video is gonna be short today, but the main part of the video is I want to give you guys a comparison between the 28s and the 26s. I mean, I feel like that's where the industry's moving. 26s seem really common, 2614, 2616, and 28s and 30s seem to be the big move, right? But are you guys more of a fan of the skinnier sidewall on the 28s and 38s? Or are we a fan of the 26s and 37s going on the blue truck? Now, I need to figure out how big the striker lift kit is. I'm pretty sure it's a 3.5 or 4. Striker makes a great product. We'll be looking at that one here in just a couple minutes. Remember this, 28s, 38s, 3.5-inch, 450. I think the 28s do look really good though. We got the blue 450 finish up with the 26 by 16, 26-inch JTX on 37s. Now, something that I wanted to specifically show off on this lift is the striker kit. I'm actually a pretty big fan of the striker kit, and we're actually about to start doing a pretty good bit of these kits. We've got 2 on the schedule already, and over the next couple of weeks, I'm definitely going to be showcasing the striker lifts on these 250s, 350s, and 450s a lot more. They offer a lot of bigger kits and a lot of really cool designs, colors, and just different options for these F250s and 350s, and 450s, of course. And I'm super excited to be able to start showcasing those on the channel, open up some opportunities for us. Do you guys like the 26 and 37s over the 28s and 38s? I noticed a little bit more of a gap, obviously, in the wheel well with the 37s and the 38s, but the size, like the sidewall profile, is about the same. I don't know. I mean, obviously, I definitely see a size difference in the 28s. Now, these are black, so they're going to have an illusion of being smaller. I think black wheels look smaller than what polished wheels do anyway, but I really think the 28s look bigger, and the 28s fit the profile of such a big truck over 26s, but it also is subjective because a smaller lift with 26s and 37s looks perfect on this truck. Bigger lift, I would say 28s. 30s are a little overkill to me, but I think that 26 to 28-inch wheel size range is perfect for these trucks. Let me know in the comments whether you guys like the 26s or the 28s on these 450s. Make sure to follow Adrian's Instagram page at Private Label Built. I will have it in the description below. Make sure you guys go show some love. Yeah, we got a lot more striker content coming, so you guys need to make sure to follow Striker on Instagram. Show some love to Private Label Built as well. Private Label Built. It's a mouthful. I love that freaking truck. The blue, the black, freaking beautiful. Let me know in the comments what you guys like better, 26s and 37s or 28 and 38s. We got a really nice silver with a 28-inch polished wheel, and then a really nice, just solid blue color with the black. Let me know what you guys like better. Make sure you guys enter the giveaway in the description. We got only a couple days left with such great prices on the raffle tickets. Enter to win a bike, a lift kit, and $500 cash. Make sure you guys hit the link in the description. Show some love to the merch. I just dropped a new shirt inspired by the gold bow tie back here, and I love you guys so much. Let's get this bread. Before we end the video off today, I want to show some love to Alexandria from Oregon. She had sent me a message that she bought a shirt for her boyfriend that's a huge fan of the channel. So Alexandria, whoever your boyfriend is, let's get this bread, baby. And I got your shirt going out today, and I did express shipping to try and get it there before Christmas just for you. And I appreciate you guys all the way from Oregon showing love to the videos. I'm gonna get it shipped out tonight so you guys can have it before the holiday. Let's get this freaking bread.